Number 1. 1976 Ford F100. For $1,800 Duncan, Arizona. This two-wheel drive short bed is a great base for a classic build. It runs with a tired inline-6 paired to a tough T18 manual transmission. Bonus? The seller throws in new floor pans and a lowering kit. A rebuild for 160 big block is available at extra cost. Clean title and hand-ready for your next project. Number 2. 1955 Chevrolet Apache, $3,800, Rockdale, Texas. This 1955 Apache was revived as a photo prop. It's got a fresh wood bed, new tires, and hand-painted signs under the hood. A 327 V8 and 3-speed manual await. It doesn't run and has no title. Best used for display, restoration, or promotion. Bonded title required to get it back on the road. Number 3. 1978 GMC Sierra Grande, $7,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. A clean camper special with a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. It runs great. Recently serviced with a new water pump, belts, and front brakes. Features include power steering and brakes. With just 99,000 miles on the clock, comes with a clean title. Number 4. 1977 Dodge W200, $3,800, Riverton, Wyoming. A serious 3/4 ton 4x4 with off-road cred. This Dodge packs a 318 V8, Edelbrock intake and carb, Dana axles, and upgraded electronics. Sitting on premium wheels and tires with just over 83,000 miles, clean title, perfect for the hunter, worker, or weekend warrior. Number 5. 1965 Ford F100, $1,900, Las Vegas, Nevada. A non-running budget classic full of character. It's got a V8 swap, automatic transmission, and custom wood flatbed. Odometer's broken, but the body's solid with no rust. Clean Nevada title makes this a great project for the price. Number 6. 1987 GMC 1-ton dually, $2,000, Visalia, California. Heavy-duty dually with a 350 V8 and 4-speed manual. It's got power steering and brakes, plus a 12 by 7.5-foot steel flatbed with bins. Stored for years and not running. It'll need mechanical work. Sold as is, with a clean non-op California title. Number 7. 1968 Chevrolet Custom Camper, $7,500, Wilmington, California. This Chevy C20 runs strong with a 327 V8 and auto transmission, only 37,700 miles. With current registration and clean title. A solid survivor, perfect for fans of vintage work trucks. Number 8. 1969 GMC $5,000, McCammon, Idaho. Under the hood, a 455 Oldsmobile with dual 4-barrel carbs and a high-rise intake. Only 15,000 miles on the motor, needs some TLC. But the potential is huge, comes with a clean Idaho title. Number 9. 1976 Chevrolet Cheyenne K10, $5,500, Portland, Oregon. A tough for buy for short stepside with a 350 engine, auto transmission, Edelbrook upgrades, 4-inch Rancho lift and 35-inch tires. Some rust and the bedwood needs replacing, clean Oregon title, a rugged classic ready to roll. Number 10. 1976 Datsun 620 pickup, $9,500, Salem, Oregon. Known as the Lyle Hustler, this Datsun is in amazing original condition with a 4-speed manual original engine, an 8-foot bed. It shows just over 23,000 miles, likely rolled over. Everything works, never left Oregon, clean title and collector worthy. Number 11. 1957 International A160 flatbed for $1,000, Rockdale, Texas. This vintage flatbed has been creatively restored for display. A brand new 16-foot wooden bed with satin clear over original paint, no engine, no trans, no title, but makes a perfect mobile stage or decor piece. Sold with bill of sale only. Number 12. 1978 Ford F-250 4x4, $7,400 in Umpqua, Washington. A true survivor parked since the early 2000s, features original paint, a 400 V8, automatic and factory transfer case. Minimal rust, just the hood, includes original paperwork and a clean Washington title, great bones for restoration. Number 13. 1976 Ford F-150, $1,000, Chelon, Washington. Budget-friendly 4x4 project with a manual transmission and possibly a remanufactured 396 V8. Body's rough with some rust, but the hood and roof are solid. Odometer's rolled, clean title in hand. Number 14. 1977 Jeep Truck J20, $7,900, Los Feliz, California. Rare. Original J20 with just 62,000 miles, V8 power, 4-speed manual, and new tires. This rust-free California truck is all original and a must-have for collectors. Number 15. 1976 Chevrolet Silverado Short Bed, $6,500, Kingman, Arizona. This lifted Chevy K10 4x4 is rocking 37-inch tires and an 8-inch suspension lift, powered by a 383-stroker. With performance internals, 4-speed manual with granny gear and factory AC, a true off-road beast, clean Arizona title. Number 16. 1979 GMC Dually to WD $9,500, Aberdeen, South Dakota. This GMC C30 Sierra Classic is a camper special loaded with factory features. Matching numbers for 150 for V8, automatic, AC, power windows, bucket seats, and more. Over $7,000 in recent maintenance. Clean South Dakota title, ready for work or show.